Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraju. Today in this session, I am going to explain how we can add, edit, and remove the sales stages in Salesforce. So first, we need to go with what are the sales stages in Salesforce. Sale stages are represent the steps of your sale process currently in Salesforce. Sales stages are we are commonly used in opportunity lead contacts accounts. On this, we are using these sales stages commonly. For example, sales stages are prospecting, qualification, proposal, negotiation, closed one, closed last. For each stages have stage name, probability, forecast category, order, open, close status. This is all the things each stages have. So where actually we are using stage configuration, sale stages are managed to the sale processor. So for example, I am currently in my opportunity. I will open any one of the record. So this is we call it as sales stages. Also we call it as this sales path. In previous video, we are knowing about how we can create this sales process stages, and how we can add that create path. How we can create path. These all things we are discussing in previously. Let's go with how we can add new sales stages in Salesforce. So before that, we need to know about this path. So this path is made by this field. The field is stage. So using this field, this path is are made. Okay. So I need to add any stage by using this field. Okay. So let's start with go to setup, click on setup. In this, click on object manager, search opportunity object. So select opportunity object. So in here, we need to go to field and relationship. In here, we need to search stage. So in here, in the stage only, I have that sales stages. So click on stage. You can see we have a multiple pick list values. So this is all we call it as sales stages. So I need to create new sales stages. So that's why I need to select new. I need to give the stage name. Currently I will give it as call to customer. So in for this sales stage, I need to mention the probability. So that's why I just mention like 20% probability. Then we need to select the record type. Currently I have for opportunity I have three types of record type. One is new customer, retail sales, wholesales. These all are our record type. So I need to show this field only for the wholesale record type. So click on wholesale record type, click on save. Then our sales stages are available. The pick list value is created. So I need to reorder this. That's why I just click on reorder. So call to customer I need in second. So that's why I just click on up. So currently call to customer is come to second. Then save it. Once you save it, we need to go to front end. Make refresh once. Make odd refresh. Go to opportunity object. Click on any one of the record. You can see in the second place call to customer sales stages is automatically created. So if you check with details page also, you just click on detail. In stage you can see call to customer pickles is available. So if you try to create new one second, I will click on new. So I add and I will go with new customer. It's a record type. Okay. So I added only for the wholesale, not for the new customer or retail sales. You just click on next. In stage, you didn't see the particular call to customer sales stage. So go back once. try to create new, select retail sales. In here also in stage, you are not able to see that particular call to customer sales stage. So again, go back, try to create new. In wholesale, select next. In stage, you can see call to customer pick list value. Say it is also called as sales stage. So this is how we can create sales stages. Now, so we need to know about how we can remove that particular sales stage. So first we need to go to opportunity object, same field. Again, in that, go to pick list values. In here you can see delete option is there. Just click on delete. So it will showing replace value on record with. So I will select qualification, means the qualification need to be showing in second option. So then I will click on save. Once you save that stage pick list value and the sales stage is automatically delete. We need to verify with front end. Just go to front end, make it hard refresh once. Once it hard refresh is done, open any of the record. That particular sales stages is automatically removed. So this is how we can add, edit, remove the particular sales stages in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.